Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and I post new videos every Monday. In today's video, I will share with you my first impressions and my review on the brand Curl Keeper. I bought the products over a month ago and I started using it. So I wanted to share with you what was the result that I got from using those products. First, I got the curl solutions, which is the same brand. They have the curl solutions and they have the curl keeper, but it's owned by the same company. And I got the pure silk protein deep moisturizing treatment. My hair was very dry and dehydrated, and I just needed to add more moisture and more protein to my hair, so I decided to buy this one first. The moment I started using it, I really like it. I noticed a big difference on the way my hair was looking. It was looking more shiny and more healthy. So because of this product, I decided to try more products from the brand. And I found this kit. This is for loose curls. And even though my hair is curly, I was interested in trying these two products, the original and the Curl Keeper gel. So this was the only one who had those two together. The other set for curly hair, I only had one. So I wanted to try these two together. And because I already had the conditioner, so I didn't want to buy another set that had conditioner because I already like the one that I have. So it comes with 4 products. Shampoo. This is like a leave-in conditioner. The Curl Keeper original and the gel. And in addition to that, I bought their silicone hair diffuser, which is very good, and I will talk about that later. So first, the first product that is included in this kit is their shampoo. Okay, this shampoo is a treatment shampoo. Gently cleanses and strengthens your hair. So the idea behind this product is that you are repairing your hair when it's damaged. So my hair was very damaged. I have highlights, and my hair, it was under a lot of stress, and that's why I decided to try it. But the thing is that if you look at the ingredients, it has sulfate on it. So for all the curly hair community, sulfate is something that we avoid because it dries out our hair. But nevertheless, I decided to try it because it said that it helps repair chemically damaged hair. And it has other things that it helps to get a healthy hair and stronger and fuller. So I decided to give it a try. I tried this product 3 washes on a road, and every time that I wash my hair with this product, I felt that it was too drying and my hair was feeling very hard. So I stopped using the product and I started using a different one with sulfate free. But nevertheless, I think that this product is very good to remove product buildup. If you don't know what is that, please check out the video that you will see a link here to check that out, to learn what is a product buildup. So as I mentioned before, I think that this product is great to remove product buildup because the sulfate will help it remove all that accumulation of product and dirt on your scalp. But it's not good, in my opinion, to use every single wash. It's better if you use it maybe once a month or every other wash to remove product buildup. But in a regular basis, I find that it's too harsh on your hair. So today, because I wanted to, use the whole brand, I used the shampoo this time. And compared to the other one that I was using before, I did feel my hair a little bit drier than, but it feels cleaner, so which is good. So that's why I think it's good for product buildup, the shampoo. Next product is their Curl Keeper Sleep. This is a 30-second detangler. Apparently you apply it on your hair, you wait 30 seconds, and then you detangle your hair after it has been washed and conditioned. Okay, so this is like a leave-in conditioner, and here it says that it helps balance your pH balance of your hair and make it stronger and is lightweight. So I tried it. What can I tell you? I don't think that this thing works. When with the conditioners that I use, I think this is more than enough. You don't need this actually. And because my hair tends to lose lots of moisture, so I have more like a high porosity. This doesn't give me moisture, so it doesn't make my hair shiny. And it also says that it's good for eliminate flyaway hair and locks in color. I didn't see anything of that. It makes your hair healthy and soft and smooth and shiny. I used it before, didn't give me any shine, didn't give me any softness. I felt that it makes my hair even frizzier. I think because my hair tends to lose moisture, that's why. So this is a no for me. But now that we are talking about the original and the gel, I really enjoy these two products together. The only thing that I find that you need to apply a lot of this product. Pretty much my handful of product, because it's very liquidy, and I apply it in each half. I like to have separate my hair in half. So you need a lot of product, but it works. And the gel is stronger, so you need less. What I noticed was that when I was using this as my leave-in conditioning, it was making my hair very frizzy. No matter how much product I was using, and these products are meant to control frizz. And for some reason, they weren't working for me. I believe is because my hair has high porosity, so it doesn't retain moisture. So no matter what you do, if your hair is not moisturized, it will freeze. And it was making my hair feel like crunchy and hard. So the moment I stop using this product and I switched to a more moisturizing leave-in conditioner, and I incorporated these two products, I noticed a big change. So today I applied the leave-in conditioner, the sleep conditioner. I applied on my hair and these two together, okay? And you can see it is a little bit frizzy. The curls are defined and soft, but it does get frizzy. When I use a more hydrating moist leave-in conditioner, I notice less frizz. So I think that depends on your hair. So if you have high porosity hair, which is a little bit on the dry side and a little bit damaged, I wouldn't recommend this one. Probably if you have high porosity hair, it will be better for you. But for my hair type, it didn't work. But these two together, I really like it, especially the original. I find that it's very good to refresh my curls. So it says here that you don't is water activator, so you don't need to apply more product. But I like to just spray my hair with water first, smooth it out, and if I notice some frizz, I will add some of this original, and it does control the frizz. So in that matters, I find that this product works very well. I'm very happy with it. And the first ingredient is water, so that's why is nice. And the gel is a stronger hold, and also helps to control the frizz. And I want to mention something. Also, is water based as the first ingredient, and really helps, you know, control your curls and make it last longer. So overall, I really like the result, how the products work on my hair. The other product that I really enjoyed using is the Pure Silk Protein Deep Moisturizing Treatment. This product really made a big difference on the way my hair was looking. As I mentioned before, my hair was very damaged, and by using this product, I felt that the moisture came back to my hair. My curls look more defined, more hydrated, more moisturized. So I really enjoyed it, and because it has the protein on it, the silk protein, it just make your hair look silky and shiny and beautiful. So this, I really recommend it. Thing that I really like about it is that it helped the penetration of color into your hair. Silk proteins reduce color fading, and as a result you get healthier, softer hair, which I find that is very true. As I said, I have color treated hair, and this product help retain some of that color and make it look more healthy. So this is a very good product. I really enjoyed. And the last product that I tried was their Curl Keeper hair diffuser. I had a bad experience buying those universal attachers, because usually for some reason they say they are universal, but they don't fit any hair dryers. But this one, because it's silicone, it takes the shape of pretty much any hair dryer. And what I like about this is it has a large amount of holes, and the hair comes out very soft. So no matter if I put the dryer in a high speed, it's enough for drying my hair without damaging my hair. So these are the products that I like, that I tried, and I enjoy using them. As I said, probably my favorites will be the diffuser, the Pure Silk Protein treatment, the original Curl Keeper original and the gel, and the shampoo and the slip. I'm not too crazy about them. Overall, I'm very happy with this brand, especially because I noticed that my hair changed and it became healthier looking. So this is a plus for me. I really enjoy the results, and as you can see, my hair has lots of volume, doesn't feel hard to touch, shiny, just a little bit of frizz, as I mentioned before. I like to use a more moisturizing leave-in, but overall today I just used all the all the products, and I really like it. And you can see how my curls are well defined, and I have that volume and fullness, which is something great. Amazing. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful for you and help you make better decisions before you try this brand. And remember that every Monday I post new videos. I have videos about skincare, hair care, and makeup tutorials as well. So please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto for more inspiration. Bye, have a nice day.